And good morning, everybody. Welcome to the weekend. Well, what a week of weather it's been. You go back to earlier in the week when we had those brutally cold wind chill temperatures, not to mention 5 feet of snow in some parts of the eastern Lake Ontario counties. And now we've evolved into a pattern that at least for right now will be milder than normal. And instead of snow, we'll talk about some rainy weather. Well, we are in weather alert mode because all these counties right here under a flood watch starting at noon today, going right on through tomorrow evening. Now, this flood watch is primarily for the possibility of ice jam flooding. We're talking about a somewhat localized rivers, streams, creeks, ice jams that could cause some flooding due to ice jams themselves, not to mention rainfall and snowmelt. So we'll keep an eye on how things are going. We've already seen a little bit of that earlier in the week, a few days ago, Cascadilla Creek down in Ithaca, and ongoing right now, some ice jam flood concerns up around Sandy Creek in the southern parts of Jefferson County. So we will keep an eye on this, and again, that's why we're in weather alert mode through tomorrow. Okay, some of the weather highlights we've got coming up. Bottom line for today. Windy, wet, and mild weather today. Probably the steadiest rain, steadier showers today, late this morning, midday, on into this afternoon. If you're heading out and about today, like maybe heading up to the game or heading out after the game, you may want to bring the umbrella with you because chances are, at least from time to time, it's going to be wet. And then as we look on into next week behind this system, I think it's a seasonably cold and a somewhat wintry weather pattern developing next week. But I'm saying seasonably because I don't foresee the type of brutal cold or big snows like we had earlier this week. So good news in that respect. As far as the weather map, here's the big picture. Most of the central part of the nation right now out towards the Rockies, a fairly quiet weather pattern. Our weather maker right now, double-barreled storm system. One center up here over the upper Great Lakes, another center down here over the Tennessee Valley. And between these two systems, we've got this cold front. Now you can see right there, there's a pretty good band of rain coming up in advance of that system, and that's going to work right in over us for the daytime hours today. As the system tracks on up to our west, up and through the central Great Lakes, we're on the warm side of the system. Matter of fact, talk about rain. Some parts of Florida, southern Florida, West Palm Beach, they had yesterday more than 20 inches of rain. That is big time rain, big time flooding down there. Generally, that's all part of this moist flow coming in right up the Atlantic seaboard, right up the Appalachians. So here's the way the forecast shapes up then. Plan your day out for today. Mostly cloudy this morning. Some scattered showers this morning, especially south and east of Syracuse. Once we get to midday on into this afternoon, better chance for getting wet. Periods of rain, periods of showers more likely. Kind of a gusty wind today, and it will be mild. A high temperature today, lower 50s. We'll go 53, the official high at Hancock Airport. 7-day weather outlook then. For tomorrow, lots of clouds, intervals of sun, a little bit colder, scattered light snow showers and flurries, 39. We start out next week Monday. Sunshine, then increasing clouds, some late day rain, 47. Then temperature trends start going down. Tuesday, scattered snow showers and flurries, 40 degrees. Could be an area-wide snow in here Tuesday night, Wednesday. We'll keep an eye on a coastal system. High temperature Wednesday, 30 degrees. And then seasonably cold, seasonably wintry with some off and on lake effect snow, snow showers, snow flurries. Wednesday night on into Thursday and Friday. High temperature next Friday at 25 degrees.